I'm standing under paper lanterns at the Silver Lantern Tavern in Marinak, Karandia's coastal capital, and the air smells of smoke, sea salt, and wild herb. Behind me, fishermen unload crates of sun-gold tomatoes and cylinder fireleaf chives. But my eyes are fixed on today's special skewer, sun-blushed Lumina and Silvan mushroom grill. This dish has roots in Karandia's highland clan feast, born in misty forests, where Silvan mushrooms carpet the moss. In summer, coastal farmers bring Lumina berries, small, pearly orbs that glow faintly blue at night, and burst with sweet pot juice. The tavern's open kitchen is alive with heat. I watch Chef Maro gently split each Lumina berry, revealing its soft, horny citrus center. He threads berries alternately with thick slices of Silvan mushroom, each kept as white as bone, firm yet yielding. A quick brush of olive oil mixed with crushed bayberry seeds, fireleaf tri ribbons, and hand-harvested lagoon salt gives a shiny glaze. Then the skewers sizzle on open coal, edges crisping to caramel brown while the berries soften, their juices seeping into the mushroom. I lift the skewer to my lip. The first bite starts with a gentle pop of warm Lumina berry, liquid swirling across my tongue, bright, almost floral sweetness with a hint of tang. Then comes the mushroom meaty texture, juicy but not soggy, with smoky undertones. The fireleaf chive adds green freshness and a whisper of onion. Each mouthful tastes of Karandia's sun-kissed valleys and rain-fed forests. In Marinak's humid coastal climate, the tavern's open windows welcome trade winds that carry stories from inland villages. Patrons here follow the old lunar calendar, honoring harvest months with skewers like this. At the foot of the highlands, families gather around communal pots, grilling Lumina and Silvan over driftwood fires. Today, Chef Maro revived that tradition, plating skewers alongside flat slices of charcoal baked barley bread, crisp rims, tender crumb, and a dip of fermented seaweed yogurt. The yogurt's tang cools the sweet smoky flavors, offering balance. As I stroll through the tavern's lantern-lit courtyard, I taste another skewer, slower this time, noting how the berry's color turns palest amber when warmed. I feel a gentle heat in my cheeks, matching the glow of market lantern. Musicians play low whistles, celebrating Karandian spring, and strangers share tables, swapping stories or clinking glasses of spiced orange cider. Back at the counter, I ask Chef Maro about the dish's origin. He recalls his grandmother, a forest guide, teaching him to respect Lumina's gift. Its juice glows in darkness, guiding night travelers. Silvan mushrooms see forage with cousins, believing the best cooks listen to the land. Tonight, those lessons come alive in every bite. The final taste lingers, sweet, smoky, the touch of sea breeze. I wipe my fingers on a linen napkin, already dreaming of tomorrow's return. If you seek Karandia's soul, follow the lanterns to the Silver Lantern Tavern and let sun-blushed Lumina and Silvan mushroom skewers lead the way.